Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 11th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So the pound dollar on the 4-hour to daily time frame, this definitely looks like the end of an ABC correction. If it is the end of an ABC correction, it will go up and take out the previous highs way back up here. So as of now, I am trading this based on the fact that this may be the end of a correction and it may just keep on going up. Now, it definitely could turn into more of a complex correction. This potentially could be like three waves down. This could potentially do something like this, and then down again. Making three waves down, three waves up, and then continuing back down later on. Definitely a possibility that the 4-hour and daily is actually in like a 333 pattern, like a WXY, or a 335 pattern, like a flat pattern. So going down to the 1-hour time frame, I personally am definitely looking for longs right now. I am really not looking for any shorts. Even if it does make a move to the downside, I would be looking at that move to the downside as nothing more than a potential opportunity to go long. At least until we get a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement level, I definitely am still recommending longs in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.